What's going on, guys? Johnny with Blaze Grass Lawn Care. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. And today I want to take you along with me. We have some new customers from Canada. Yeah, what's up, Canadians? Yeah, all my peeps in Canada that watch my videos. You guys are down here too in Savannah. So yeah, I'm just showing you that the trailer's empty, and we're gonna pick up some pine straw. But we have some new customers from Canada, and they actually never uh, seen or had pine straw on their property. So they purchased this brand new property, not brand new, but purchased a home, brand new to them, home here in Savannah, and they want some pine straw installed. So I'm not gonna take the whole day to show you how to load this pine straw. I have a quick little magic trick that I want to show you guys. But first, let me put on my glove, because I need one glove in order for this trick to work. And yeah, let me go ahead and put on my right glove. And here we go. Ready, set, awesome. There you go, my little elves. My little elf took it upon himself to load up my pine straw. And this is the trailer full of pine straw. And guys, we go through this thing probably about one per month, depending on what's going on and what we actually have going on at the time. But most of my pine straw jobs are subcontracted. But anything 20 bales and below this time of the year, why not, huh? What else do I have to do, right? Get out there and stay busy. Now, with all this doggone talking, man, I forgot my keys. Let me go back and get my keys real quick. My bad. There we go. Yep. So let me get my keys and get on the road here. Lock this up real quick. And guys, this lock and everything that you see on this video are in a link to the in the video description in my Amazon store. And no, they are not affiliated with us or anything. I just love the way these locks work. All right, let's get ready to roll. Let me make sure, yep, let me put my personal phone and start this engine up, and let's roll. Alright, so here we are, and let me go in the back here and open my trailer up. And guys, I know, you just took a glance at the driveway. Yeah, I know it needs to be pressure washed, and we're gonna take care of that. For some reason you guys love to mention it, right? Hey, that driveway needs to be clean. Yeah, I know. Alright, so the first thing we do anytime we get to a property is we're gonna set these bales at the right interval that we want them to be set at. And just keep in mind, so for you guys that want to know, the area has been sprayed and treated. So what we're gonna do is put down the pine straw bales, spread it out real nice, and after we tuck it and make it look nice and pretty, it will take about a week or two for this straw to kind of compress and form a nice barrier And then when we come and service the property, we put a nice crispy edge on the straw that's already laid out. And the reason I like to do it this way is because I've actually made the line and everything for the plant bed. And when you tuck the pine straw, sometimes the pine straw lay a little bit further out, sometimes it lay a little bit inside. So yeah, so we're gonna take our battery powered blower, and we are going to start tucking this straw in. Now this is a pretty easy way of tucking the straw in, guys. You just blow it. And I've had other people commented on the video saying that, we're doing it I guess the lazy way or the easy way, I don't get it. But then, when you go to their channel, I don't see them showing anyone how to do it, But this is the easiest way, guys, and it worked for us. And again, it's all about the customer being happy at the end of the job, right? And like I said before, this is going to compress and form a nice little barrier all around the home. And yeah, like anything else, guys, the more you put down, the better it's going to be when it comes to pine straw. That's why we like to put it down nice and thick. Now, by the time this compresses, it's going to form a probably about a 2 to 3 inch barrier for that plant bed. And every 6 months to every once a year, whichever one you feel like doing, I will put more and more on top. And pine straw is it'll decompose little by little, and yeah, it's all natural, and the leaves will fall on top of it and everything, and it stays looking pretty good, right? When in Rome, do what the Romans do, right? Again, it works out pretty good. So I'm gonna let you guys enjoy a little bit of this tucking the straw in with the battery powered blower. Alright, so here I just laid the this is 2 bales of straw, and now all I'm doing is tucking the bottom in, and it takes a little bit of practice to do this. And don't worry about the leaves. We hit up this property every 2 weeks, so we'll come back and do a nice little leaf cleanup for them. So yeah, I'm just taking my time tucking the straw in, making it look nice and crispy. And I like to form a nice little circle around, and then I will go back counterclockwise and kind of make it look nice and pretty, and take it from there. And here we go. So let me walk you around the property and show you what it looks like. Have a great one. Pop Smoke. Peace.